So a few months ago, I had a problem that my condensate pump for my HVAC broke, and I had a problem that all the condensate water was flooding my little HVAC room, and I realized that just days later, and the water was already creeping a little bit into my cinder block walls. So to avoid that, I actually decided to get Wi-Fi water sensors from a company called Govee, which would alert me in the future if I had a water spillage. As you can see, I placed one under my condensate pump and one next to my washing machine. I also have a Wi-Fi gateway with an alarm bell, which would alarm me. And then this also comes with a cell phone app, and the cell phone app would actually also send you alerts to your cell phone. And what you see here, it's just the cell phone app, which actually shows you the two sensors, if they are working, and if the batteries are charged, you can charge them via USB. And also it shows you if the gateway is working correctly. And so if you want to avoid water spillage, or you want to be alerted if something like this happens, you maybe want to consider getting such sensors or similar sensors like I have as well. I'm pretty happy with them.